Welcome to how to analyze data with the fx-CG100. In this video, we will demonstrate how to enter and analyze single variable, frequency, grouped and bivariate data, as well as recalling summary and residual values. To start, we need to enter some data in a list. Press Home and select Statistics by scrolling or using the shortcut. For convenience, we will enter our data in list 1, or scroll to store in a different list. Enter the data, confirming after each value. Then scroll to the top of list 2 to view all 4 items in list 1. We can now analyze the single variable data just entered. Press Right tab to go to Setup. A pop-up opens that allows you to calculate summary values, draw graphs, perform hypothesis tests, and determine confidence intervals. Select Calculate Summary Statistics. This screen allows both the type of data to be set and which lists of data to be used. As the default settings are List 1 data with a frequency of 1, no changes need to be made. Press Right tab to see the results. The summary values are shown starting with X bar. Scroll to view the extreme values, the quartiles, and the multiple modes. Sometimes further calculation may be required using a calculated summary value. To recall a value, return to the list editor by pressing Left tab. Press Catalog to open the pop-up, and select Variable Data by scrolling or using the shortcut. Then open Statistics. Select the data to be recalled, in this case X data. All the previously seen calculated values can now be recalled. Select Data X mean to return to the list editor. The data notation is displayed, allowing operations to be performed easily. Confirm to enter the value for X bar in the list. It is worth noting that this method of recalling values can also be used in Calculate. We can now look at single variable frequency data. To do this, enter some more X data in list 2, using this small dataset. Then enter some frequency data in list 3, making sure that the dimensions of both lists match. Scroll across to view the top of the lists. Analysis of the frequency data can easily be performed by changing some settings in Setup. Right tab to view the menu, and select one variable X list, as the list number for our data needs changing. A pop-up opens asking for a list number. Enter the list number for the X data, which is list 2, and confirm. Then select one variable frequency. A choice between using the default frequency 1 or using a list is given. Select List, and enter the frequency list number 3. Confirm to display the stored settings. Then Right tab to view the results. The frequency calculations have automatically been made to find the summary values. Scroll to view the quartiles, and the modes as before. The next type of data to be investigated is group data, with upper and lower bounds. Left tab to return to the list editor, and enter the lower bounds in list 4. For convenience, the interval is constant. Then enter the upper bounds in list 5. As this group data has a frequency, enter the data in list 7. Before calculating the summary values for the group data, the mid-class values need to be calculated. Instead of manually entering the calculation for the mean of the lower and upper bounds, it is possible to use the handset's functionality to make the process more efficient. Scroll to the list header of the vacant list 6 and open parentheses. Press Catalog and select Statistics either by scrolling or using the shortcut. Then select the List command and enter the calculation for the mean of the two lists. Confirm to display the calculated values in list 6. As the mid-class values have been found, a calculation similar to the previous frequency data can be made. Right tab to set up again and select one variable XList. Enter the list number for the values just calculated. Then confirm and select one variable frequency to set the frequency list. Select List and enter the list number 7. Confirm and make sure the settings are correct. Then right tab to view the results. Scroll as before to see more results. The last type of data demonstrated in this video is bivariate data. Return to the list editor with left tab and scroll to the top of list 3. Enter the Y data by overwriting, as we will use the existing data in list 2 for the X data. Then right tab to set up again and select one variable. From the pop-up, select 2 variable. Then set the 2 variable XList, entering the XList data as list 2. And confirm. Then enter the 2 variable YList as list 3. And confirm. As the correct data has been set, right tab to show the results, starting with the X data. Scroll to see the Y data. Bivariate data is quite often investigated with regression analysis. Left tab to return to setup and select 2 variable. From the pop-up menu, scroll or use the shortcut to select the required regression analysis. For linear regression, select either AX add B or A add BX. Then right tab to display the values of A and B used for the regression line, together with the BMCC and mean square error. After performing regression calculations, it could be useful to know the residual values. From the Results tab, press Tools. Then select Save Residuals in a List from the menu. Enter the list number where the residuals will be stored and confirm. To view these values, return to the list editor with left tab where they have overwritten the previous data. We hope that you have found this video useful. If so, please do check out our other resources on the Casio Education UK website and YouTube.